Hello students, this is video from page number 171. Telling time using AM and PM. See A point. We use AM or anti-meridian to tell time after midnight to before noon. It means if time is between midnight and afternoon, so we will call that time as AM. And where we use PM, timing between noon and midnight. It means from midnight to afternoon 12 o'clock, midnight 12 o'clock, afternoon 12 o'clock. So between midnight and afternoon we use AM, and between noon time or afternoon time to midnight we use PM. Okay, so see some examples here. See, Miha woke up at 7 in the morning. So definitely now what we want to do here, we are using these words morning, evening, afternoon, like this, or evening. Okay, but now if I don't want to use this word morning and still I want to get the information whether that 7 o'clock is in the morning or in the evening, so what I can do, I can use AM and PM concept. Otherwise always I have to mention these words here, morning or afternoon or evening. So instead of, we are going to use AM and PM. Okay, so see here, this morning time, so definitely this morning time is coming between midnight and afternoon or noon time. So definitely we will use AM. So that's why we show it like this, 7 AM. Now again see this example. She had breakfast at 8:30. Again this 8:30 in the morning. So again this morning time is in between midnight and noon. So again we are using AM. Now see here, she had lunch at 1 in the afternoon. Now this 1 o'clock, definitely it is after 12. So this is after noon time. And then see, from afternoon to before midnight. So अगर time noon time के, afternoon time exactly 12 o'clock उसके और midnight 12 o'clock उसके बीच में होगा. So we will use PM. So here we are using 1 PM. Then here Meha went for swimming at 4:30 in the evening. Again this 4:30 is between this 4:30 in the evening. It means definitely this time is after 12 o'clock of noon. So it is in between noon and midnight. So again we will use PM. And here also this 8:15, it is in the evening again. So again it is in between noon and midnight. So here also we are going to use PM. Okay, so one more point is here. See first, so how we are discussing AM and PM after midnight. So midnight means exact 12 o'clock. So before noon, here also 12 o'clock. ये दोपहर के 12 बजेंगे यहाँ पे रात के 12. But for this 12 and this 12, we don't use AM and PM. See, that point is given here. Exactly noon, afternoon का जो time होगा 12 o'clock. So we will say it like 12 noon. We will not use PM and AM. But 12 के बाद, let us consider 12:01, 1 minute after 12. So definitely वो after, yes, it is getting after noon. Okay, 12 बजने के बाद का time है 12:01. So definitely that time we will use PM. So exact 12 जो है आफ्टरनून का और मिडनाइट का, उनके लिए हम AM और PM का यूज नहीं करते. Exact noon time 12 o'clock we will say 12 noon, and exact 12 o'clock of midnight we will say 12 midnight. और इसके आगे जाएंगे 1 मिनट से भी, then we will use AM and PM concept. Now see here, do and learn from page number 171. See question 1. Draw the minute hand to show the time. Okay, so here hour hand is already provided, minute hand we had to show. So here 14 minutes past 4. Past 4 means definitely it is after 4. So already this hour hand is moving from 4 to 5 and we want to show minute hand. So this is, I am showing this minute hand here 14 minutes. So definitely we know here up to 2 it is 10. At 3 it is 4, yes 15. So we can decrease one line here, so it will become 14. Or you can count after 2 also. Here it is becoming 10. So 11, 12, 13 and this is 14. So like this, one more example here, see. This 2 or before example is there. So 12 minutes to 8. It means 12 minutes are remaining to get 8 o'clock. So see here, this hour hand is moving toward 8. But now we want to show it 12 minutes are remaining. 12 minutes to before 8. So we will move from this 12 toward this direction. So here it is 5. Again this is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. And again we want 12 minutes. So 10, here 11 and 12. So I will come here. Here 18 minutes to 3. So we will again move from here. 18 minutes are remaining. So up here 5, here 5, here 5. So up to 9 it is becoming 15. So after 15, 16, 17, 18. So I will show it here. Then see question 2. What is the time in AM and PM? So here timings are given in the form of by using words night, afternoon, evening, like this. And we want to convert it into AM and PM. Okay, so see here 15 minutes past 2. So we know how to show it to 15. But now we want to decide whether it is AM or PM. So see here in the night. Night means night comes between noon and midnight. And when we, yes. So this 15 minutes past 2 in the night. So in the night means actually it is after midnight and before noon time. So we will use AM, 2:15 AM. See here 8 minutes past 3. So we will show it like this, 3:08. 8 minutes past 3. But it is afternoon time. So it is between noon to midnight. So we will use PM. Then here 25 minutes to 7 in evening. 25 minutes to, it means before. So how to write this? See, 25 minutes are remaining to get 7 o'clock. So definitely I will write it in the form of 6. When we are writing it, we use previous hour only. So how to get this? See why I am getting this 35. जैसे 25 मिनट बाकी है 7 o'clock के लिए, तो 6 बजकर कितना मिनट हुए कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं हम? We can subtract this 25 from 60 because we know total minutes are 60 there. So 60 minus 25 I will get 35. Okay, तो 7 o'clock तो अभी हुए नहीं है. So 6 o'clock already हो चुके थे. So we can write this time like 6:35. And now this is evening time. So evening time is between noon and midnight. So again we are using PM. See this 11 minutes to 2 means again it is these minutes are remaining to get 8 o'clock. So how to write it again? I will write previous hour 7 and here 11 minute बाकी है 8 o'clock मिलने के लिए. So definitely 7 बजकर कितने मिनट हुए? How to calculate it? 60 minus this 11. So we will get 49. So 7:49 and this time is night time. So night time is coming between noon and midnight. So again we will show it by PM. Now come to the page number 172. Topic the 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock. See and learn. See what is given. So far we have learned to write time using AM or PM. This way of writing is called 12-hour clock. Okay, so when we use, or generally at home also we use 12-hour clock. So there we use concept of AM and PM. But now we can convert this 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock also. In digital clocks we can directly see 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours. Okay, it means we can use 24-hour clock directly. But in 12-hour clock also we can convert timing into 24-hour clock. How to convert? We can see it here now. See first point, read the time in 24-hour clock. Okay, so see first of all how we use 24-hour clock. See here, one A point, Ishan reaches school at 7:15 AM. So this AM means it is morning time, because AM means it is between midnight and afternoon, or midnight and noon time. So this is morning time. So how to show it? See, for single digit we use here 0 also, 0, 7, 15, and here we don't show it now AM and PM, we show it by using hours. But now what is happening? See, always remember we start 24-hour clock from 0. It means midnight time, 12 o'clock, it is considered as 0. And then we will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 कब होगा? Afternoon 12 o'clock. And after that, when afternoon 1 o'clock is there, we consider it as 13. So it will become 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and here 24 will come at midnight time. And that 24 again we consider it as 0. Okay, so see how to convert that timing. So this is morning time. So from midnight, here we start from 0. So definitely it will remain as it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why this AM timing is as it is. But now see for PM time. This PM means actually this time is after noon time. So as after noon we count them again. Okay, see, one complete rotation is over here from midnight to afternoon, and then we start from here. We consider this one as 13, 14, 15. So like this. Now see what is the time? 1:20. So this one we will consider it as 13. So and minute will be same. So how I can write? See, 13:20. And here we don't use PM or AM. We write it as hours. 13:20 hours. So this is 24-hour clock timing. And see here it is given how to read 13:20 hours, and here 7:15 hours. So now this we can easily use this chart to convert timing from 12-hour to 24-hour. See how? See here midnight is there. So midnight 12 o'clock we will consider as 0 hours. After that रात का 1 का टाइम जो है 1 o'clock, we write it in the form of AM and PM like this, 1 AM. Okay, and in 24-hour clock it is also 1, but here we call it as 1 hour, not PM or AM. Then 2 hour, here 3 AM, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, 10, 11 AM. After that what will happen? Yes, midday, noon time, दोपहर के 12 बजेंगे यहाँ पे. Yes, so we are writing it here 12. So उसके बाद फिर से जो 1 PM आएगा दोपहर के 1, yes, afternoon 1 o'clock, 1 PM. So we will use 13 for that. So from this again for 2, 14, for 3, 15 like this we will count the timing, 16, 17, 18, 19 up to 10. Here 11 PM, 23. So like this we can use this chart to convert timing from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. See, some examples are given here. 1:40 PM. Okay, now we have to convert it into 24-hour clock. So see how to convert 1:40 p.m. So again come back to this chart, find out 1 p.m. See here 1 p.m. is there. So 1 p.m. it will become 13. So here see, for this one I will write 13 and no need to change the minutes. We keep this minute as it is. So 13:40. But here what will come? Hours, because we are converting it to 24-hour clock. Like this 4:25 p.m. So come here again 4:25 p.m. So find out 4 p.m. See here 4 p.m. is there. This 4 p.m. will become 16. So here I am writing 16 and these minutes are as it is 16:25 hours. So like this PM time we can easily convert. See here 11:30 p.m. So find out 11 p.m. See here 11 p.m. is there. So that 11 will become 23. So here we are writing 23 minute as it is 30. 23:30 hours. Again some examples are there. See, converting time to 24-hour clock. Express each time in 24-hour clock. Okay, so again see here 12:15 a.m. Okay, so come here now 12. See, we can't see here 12, but a.m. means definitely we know a.m. So see this line, a.m. line is there. Okay, so that 12, what is the meaning here? See, 12:15 a.m. 12 means, and this a.m. means AM start from midnight to noon. So midnight, रात के 12:15 हुए. But we know in 24-hour clock, night 12 o'clock we consider it as 00. Yes, so that's why here 00 is given. Here also it is given. See, midnight 00. Okay, and then we write minute as it is. So 00:15 hours. Like this. For this 6:30 a.m. Find out 6 a.m. first. See here 6 a.m. is there. So it will remain as it is 6. So we will write this 6. This 30 as it is 30. But now we don't write a.m. here. We write hours because this time is from 24-hour clock. Like this 12:35 p.m. So find out 12 p.m. So you can get here 12 p.m. but come to this line, p.m. line. See, 12 means that p.m. means it is actually afternoon timing. Okay, so exactly midday 12 o'clock. Okay, and then we keep that 12 as it is and then minutes. So here 12 and 35 hours. Now 1:45 p.m. So find out 1 p.m. first. See where 1 p.m. is there. Here 1 p.m. So this 1 will become now 13 because this is afternoon time now. So make that 1 13 and these minutes are as it is 13:45 hours. So like this we can easily convert these timings. Again see here it is similar to this E and A. See again 12:48 a.m. So actually this time is after midnight. So when after midnight, that 12 we consider as 00. So here we are writing 00 and 48 hours. Then 7:55 p.m. So find out 7 p.m. See here 7 p.m. is there. 7 will become 19. So here 19:55 hours. So by using these concepts, we can easily solve this do and learn from page number 174. See question 1. What is the time in 24-hour clock? A question 5:42 p.m. Now see, by using these clocks also we can easily convert those timing, or you can use this chart from page number 172. But now see how to convert by using this picture of clock. 5:42. So first of all focus here. What is here? PM. PM means this time comes between noon and midnight. So after when we cross noon time 12 o'clock we count this one as 13. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is actually 5, so I will call it as 17, and we keep minute as it is. So this, see how many minutes are there. Okay, here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, up to this it becomes 30, then 35, 40. After 40 again 2 lines are there. Okay, already it is given actually, no need to count it also, just we have to count for this 5, क्योंकि आफ्टरनून का टाइम है 12 बज के, दोपहर के 12 बजने के बाद जो 1 o'clock आएगा उसे हम 13 से काउंट करेंगे रात के 12 बजे तक. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, और जब 24 पे आएगा फिर से हम इसे 0 काउंट करेंगे. सो 0 के बाद फिर से रात का रात के 1 o'clock जो हो गए उसे हम फिर से 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ये मॉर्निंग का 6, मॉर्निंग का 7, मॉर्निंग का 8, 9, 10, 11, ये आफ्टरनून का 12, और फिर आफ्टरनून के 12 के बाद फिर से यहाँ से 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, फिर से होगा 0. रात को 12 बजे 0, फिर से रात का 1 o'clock जो होगा फिर से हम काउंट करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ये मॉर्निंग टाइम होगा 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, आफ्टरनून 12, then again 13, 14, like this. Okay, so see B question. This is now AM. So AM again, it means it is actually morning time. It is between, yes, midnight to afternoon. So we no need, and see अभी हमने देखा midnight 12 बजने के बाद, मतलब हम इसे 0 कंसिडर करते हैं. So we calculate from 1. So definitely 9 will remain as it is. But now it is 24-hour clock, so we use 0 with that, 0, 9. And then minutes, it remains as it is, 05. So 9:05 hours. Now see again this one, 12:30 AM. So AM means it is after midnight. Okay, so after midnight what we do? We count this 12 as 0. So it will become 00, and minute will be same, 30 hours. Second question, what is the time in 12-hour clock? Okay, so see here now 24-hour clock is already given. Here hours is written means. Okay, now we have to convert it into 12-hour. That means we are going opposite to this question. In question 1, we converted 12-hour to 24. Now here 24 to 12-hour clock. See a question 0047. We know 00 means midnight 12 o'clock. So we can write it 12. And we keep minutes as it is, 47. But now this time is after midnight. Okay, it is between midnight and afternoon. So we use AM. So it will become 12:47 AM. Now see this 19:08 hours. So 19 means definitely ये आफ्टरनून के बाद, नून के बाद का टाइमिंग है. Yes, and now we know you can use clock also to get this 19. What is the 19? See, here we start from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So actually 19 means 7, and keep minute as it is, 7, 8. But now what to write here, PM or AM? 19 means ये आफ्टरनून, yes, नून के बाद का टाइमिंग है. Yes, noon to midnight. So as it is after noon, we use PM. Then here 3:14 hours. Okay, so 3:14 hours means again, how to get this, how to convert this timing? Yes, we know after midnight we consider, at midnight we consider 12 as 0, and then after that it becomes 1, 2, 3. So ये रात के 3 बजने, yes, रात के 3 का टाइम है. Yes, 3 o'clock in the night. So as, okay, in night we count them, this one as 1 only. In afternoon we call this one as 13, this is as 14, this is as 15. But in the night, from midnight to afternoon, we call them as it is, 1, 2, 3. So like this 3 will remain as it is, 3. This 14 as it is, 3, 14. But now this is 12-hour clock timing, so we need to use AM and PM. So this time is between midnight and afternoon. So we use AM. So like this, solve these questions in your textbook by using pencil. Repeat the video again and again 2 or 3 times if you are not getting these concepts.